How I moved from $33 to $350 creating and selling an online course. I created an online course. My journey began with this simple idea: to create an online course that could help others while generating some income for myself. With just $33 in my pocket, I invested in basic tools and resources to get started. I identified a niche I was passionate about and had expertise in: modeling buildings with Revit. I spent hours crafting the course content, making sure it was comprehensive, engaging, and valuable. I recorded video lectures, created downloadable resources, and structured the lessons to ensure a smooth learning experience. After weeks of hard work, my course was finally ready to launch. 2. I promoted through Facebook and Instagram ads. Launching the course was just the first step. The next challenge was to get it in front of the right audience. I knew that social media could be a powerful tool for promotion, so I decided to invest in Facebook and Instagram ads. With a modest budget, I created targeted ads to reach individuals interested in modeling buildings using Revit. I used compelling visuals and persuasive copy to highlight the benefits of my course. I also utilized Facebook's audience targeting auctions to narrow down my audience based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors. The ads started gaining traction, and I noticed an increase in traffic to my course landing page. However, I realized that getting people to visit the page was not enough. I needed to engage with them further to convert them into paying customers. 3. Got leads to a WhatsApp community where I nurture the leads. To bridge this gap, I created a WhatsApp community for my potential customers. In my ads, I offered free trainings for beginners as an incentive for joining the group. This strategy worked well, and soon, I had a growing community of leads who were interested in my course. In the WhatsApp group, I shared valuable tips, insights, and mini lessons related to my course. I made sure to engage with the members regularly, answering their questions and providing personalized advice. This helped build trust and establish myself as an authority in the field. As I nurtured these leads, many of them expressed interest in the full course. I offered exclusive discounts and bonuses to the group members, which further incentivized them to enroll. Slowly but surely, the sales started coming in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn more from us. Ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload new video, you will be notified. Share this video on all your social media so your friends can also benefit from it too. Hit the like button if you like this video. Bye, see you in the next video.